Okay, let's jump right in. If you've spent any time scrolling social media lately, especially, late at night, you have absolutely seen this thing, the glowing, bouncy jelly bed.
Oh, yeah. They are everywhere. Super eye-catching. They look just like these huge blocks of clear candy almost,
Yeah.
or gelatin. And they often have these like colorful LED lights inside, people bouncing on them. The texture looks so, well, squishy.
Right, and the videos are just mesmerizing, millions of views. But what's interesting, and we saw this in the sources, is how detailed some posts get. They talk about temperature regulating gel and even list prices that sound, well, almost believable, if expensive.
Exactly. It totally fuels that where can I buy this feeling. People genuinely want to know.
So that's our mission for this deep dive, right? Cut through the hype. What's
Yeah.
the actual reality here?
Yep. We're going to figure out if you can actually, ditch your old mattress for a giant glowing gummy bear bed.
Okay, so let's not bury the lead. We need to get this out right away because it's pretty crucial.
The central fact is this. These viral jelly beds, they are not real products. Period.
Not real, like at all.
Nope. There's no known manufacturer. We couldn't find any confirmed owners with real photos, not staged ones. And you definitely won't find them in any reputable store.
Oh, they just exist online as pictures and videos.
Pretty much. They're digital creations.
Mm.
Most of what you're seeing are AI-generated product concepts, computer rendered.
Wow. Okay. So the clarity of the gel, the way the light bends, that's all fake.
It's all designed to look real. Extremely convincing renders. The physics in the simulations, flawless. The way it seems to squish the reflections, it fools the eye.
And the marketplace evidence, or lack thereof, backs this up.
Absolutely. Check Amazon, IKEA, Wayfair, nothing. Some websites might mention them, but they only let you sign up for a wait list or express interest.
Ah, the classic sign up for updates trick for something that doesn't exist.
Exactly. That's a massive red flag.
But hang on. People make crazy custom furniture all the time. If there's so much buzz, why couldn't someone make one? Maybe not a solid block, but like gel inside a clear casing. Why isn't anyone trying?
That's where you hit the wall of practicality. And, frankly, safety.
Oh, okay. Tell me more.
Well, first off,
Mm-hmm.
wait. Imagine a queen-size bed volume filled with dense gel. It would weigh an absolute ton, maybe literally. Just getting it into a house would be a nightmare.
Okay, yeah, I can see that. Like moving a waterbed times 100.
Probably more. And think about safety. A giant, heavy block of yielding material. That's a suffocation risk, especially for kids.
Oof, hadn't thought of that. And cleaning.
Oh, don't even get me started. Hygiene would be impossible. Think about it. How do you clean that surface? You can't just wipe it down easily. And what if it tears? Imagine gel leaking everywhere. A sticky, potentially massive mess.
Okay, yeah. Nightmare scenario. An unsanitizable petri dish, basically.
You got it.
Yeah.
So it's just not feasible or safe in the real world, no matter how cool it looks online.
So really, this whole jelly bed phenomenon is a fascinating example of how good AI imagery has become. It's captivating people with this fun, futuristic idea that's just not practical.
Exactly. It's a digital illusion. But if you're interested in the idea behind it, like the temperature regulation part,
Yeah. What's the real world version?
well, what does exist are gel-infused foam mattresses. These use cooling gel, often as little beads or layers mixed into memory foam. It helps regulate temperature, adds comfort, but it looks like a normal mattress.
Right, so no see-through glowing blocks you can bounce on.
Definitely not. But they are real, they're safe, and you can actually buy them from reputable places.
Okay, so the final takeaway for you listening is pretty clear then.
Enjoy the wild videos, they're fun concepts.
Mhm.
But when you're actually shopping for a bed, stick to things that, actually exist and are engineered for safety in real life.
And maybe, just maybe, next time you see some incredible new product online that seems too good to be true, ask yourself, is this the future? Or is this just a really, really good AI render trying to go viral? It really makes you think about how digital concepts can create demand out of thin air.